Hey guys, slap the bells and give a like and have a comment if you like me. I know I accidentally messed up my video, so I actually had to start it over. But hey, the newspaper's still there, so okay. I need to find the stillware. You didn't see this. You only saw this because I just sat down here. Then the phone actually isn't phone. I'm using my phone's phone. No, that's just my parents. I only got like 2 videos. Oh yeah, I got 2 videos. I know. Really? It's hard to look for stuff to put in the traveling plane. I mean, like it holds stuff that people need. I mean, well, that's good. I can't even find it. Seriously? No. I know, I really like Legos. I'm actually a Lego master, so I just gonna look for the steering wheel anyways. I think it might be a little too loud for you. Yeah. So I'm just gonna try to look for a steering wheel. I knew I said, what's this? But no. Because I don't want it to really be shooting. I just want to have fun. Really think about this is good. No. I'm just going to make something new. Just new. Like a car. Like a car that has a thing in the back, so that's something good. Very good idea. So if you think it's good, slap the bell and like and take a comic like I just said. They're like, oh, I don't want to watch it anymore. I lost my voice. Just kidding. No, I didn't. And it was boring. Couldn't find anything. Still can't find a thing that I need. Didn't wait for us. I'm sorry, we had to wait a minute. Well, after I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you something. And don't peek at it. Just fine. Putting on the wheels. I know. That's not all. You know they got that song Bear Wee Bear because they're weak. Not like wink. Weak. I'm only in 2nd grade. And I'm starting a YouTube channel. I'll show you my 3rd one because my other one, I deleted it because my screen was red. So please don't put it sometimes, but like and stuff. Like I said, the 3rd time. And it's got the 3rd time. So what about we make it fly? Well, you know, the surprise is actually can fly, so you'll see it. I know, I can make my face red. You want to do it? Like, if you think, very funny. Okay, that wasn't fair. Okay. My friend, he can make a purple and pink, like violet red. Yeah. Oh no. Sorry, I had to pause the video because I was about to sneeze. and I sneezed when I paused the video. So good, you don't want to get germs, and you don't want to see me sneeze. The other YouTube video, I think they pause it when they have to sneeze. Says it's not like anyone can sneeze. Okay. Wait, I need to pause the video. Sorry, I had to pause the video. What about just a newspaper? What did I think? That villains are in. I'm just putting some money, Lego money in the gold and the diamond. Can you see diamond? Can't really see it. Oh, and guess what? That was kind of rhyming. Can nobody tell me nothing? You can't tell nothing. Can nobody tell me nothing? You can't nothing. Yeah, I know. It's Old Town Road. More money. Can nobody tell me nothing? You can't do anything on me. I am rich. Putting all this money in here. So where I'm going to get arrested. No way. Oh, sorry. I've been here for 1,000 years in the jail. I'm just kidding. This looks like money. And I stole a thing before. Don't die. I'm just kidding. I am not a thief. I just got Lego thing because I like officers. If you like officers, do it the third time. Fourth. Actually, I realized you can't really see my eyes because of my hair. And it's moving down right. Yeah. I got long hair, but I'm not a girl. I'm a boy. Yeah, it's kind of stupid. Yeah, I'm gonna... Why am I thinking about that every time? Because it's my favorite song! Yeah, I got a big house, so... Have a nice time! Don't do something that I wouldn't. You know a movie? I'm sorry. You know this? The Ninjago Gold. I'm rich. No, I only got Lego money, sure. Yeah, cowboy! Oh no, my money falling. Hey, guys. Guess what am I sitting in? A rocking chair. Well, you know why? You know what kind of rocking chair this is? What? Oh, you know what rocking chair? This was my dad. His grandma gave it to him. And it's actually cool. Hey, yo! It's weird. They made my thing broke. I'm back. Oh no, I've been 8 minutes and D2. Oh no, I'm gonna lose the challenge. Please don't be 9 o'clock. Oh, have it been 9 minutes? And guess this is what I'm talking about. A plane. I broke the Star Wars plane, then it turned into this plane. Oh yeah, money man. I hope you have a great time. Good.